Good morning. This is a demonstration of how to use live binders to copy a template and create your own binder. So I've gone to livebinders.com and I clicked in the upper right hand corner. It said log in, and then I logged in under my name, and it brings me to a page that will have my binders that I have created already on it. If you haven't created a binder before, then this shelf will be empty. The first thing you want to do is find the binder that you want to copy. This one is called Virtual World's Best Practices in Education Student, I think it's called, Presentation Binder. But if you just put VWBPE and search, there it is. Then if you hit the options button and say make a copy, there will be a copy now in your shelf, in your live binder account. So I'm going to open it up, and the first thing I want to do is start changing it. So I'm going to click Edit Menu and Binder Properties. I'm going to call this, instead of Copy Of, I'm going to call this Rinda's VWBPE Presentation Binder, and take off Template. Don't use your last names in your presentation binders, just first name or first name last initial if you have the same first name as other people, which happens in this class. Making sure that it says education, and change it from private to public, but copy disabled because you don't want people to copy your work. Then I'm going to change the color from green to brown, and I'm going to click Update. And I think that looks okay. Then I'm going to close Edit Menu so that lower bar goes away. Now I've got a template created for me, and I see where it says student name, and self-introduction. Okay, this is where you include a short introduction of yourself and upload a copy of the photo of your avatar. So I'm going to click Edit Menu, and I'm going to go to Upload File, and then I'm going to browse for a photograph of my avatar. And I think I have one under the Sort file. Never do this. This is a bad habit I've gotten into. I dump everything in a file called Sort. And it's not going to be there. So I'm just going to click something that I had created previously. It's our teleport board, actually. And then I can hit the button that says Upload. Now it says Teleport. Good. But any kind of picture would do. In fact, I think there's a better picture of something. Steampunk Girl. That's a better upload. There she is. Okay, then close my Edit Menu window, and here when you click this, you can start changing the type. And then just say a little bit about yourself, and you know, she's got red hair, that could be me. Oh, right, so there we go. Then I'm going to go to the course overview, and what is this course about, and answer the question here. In your own words, tell the adults and students who saw you at the conference what the course was about, what the primary focus was on in your view, and you might look at the nets for students' assignment to jog your memory. So then you just click here and start changing the type. Activities, course activities, things we did. Describe your activities. You can upload a photo here, again, by clicking the Edit menu and then Upload. Browse first, find your photo, and then click Upload, and that will dump the picture here. Now let's say you wanted to show more than one picture. You'd need another sub-tab. And so you click the yellow arrow, click Add New Sub-tab, and you could call this one Skydiving, and then go to Edit Menu and Text Layout, and I want text and media. I think I'll put the picture on the right hand side. Close that. Now I can upload my picture that I want loaded there by upload file, find a picture, upload it there. Okay, I just uploaded the same picture. And then add text explaining the activity. If I need to put in another activity that I wanted to show, like a scavenger hunt or some of the buildings that you tried to do, add a new subtab and name it. Under completed projects, you could rename this subtab as well. And again, I put in a template for putting a little text on the left and a picture on the right. You can go under Edit Menu and change the text layout to be half text, half media, or adjust it any way that you want. And then final thoughts. And I gave you kind of an overview of something that you could write. Remember, this live binder can become part of your student portfolio for work that you're doing for this class, and become one of the projects that you do. And you will send these to me, the links to them, by doing this. See where it says live binders above? Click copy and then paste it into an email sent to mrsc@renda.org. And I will have that list in the presentation when we're all there, and I can give that note card out to everybody who comes to watch, so everybody's binders will be viewed by teachers and students around the world. So email me if you have a question, or Skype me, RendaMC, if you have a question about how to do this.